welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you want to see more of this look, this peacock inspired look, I don't know where I got the inspiration from, but I think it turned out amazing and wonderful and so beautiful. So if you like this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so first we're going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm going to go in with that burnt orange shade and just use that as my crease color or as my definition color. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Hey Girl palette. I think it's the 23C. I'm going to go in with that reddish orange shade and just put that over where I put my definition color. Then I'm going to go with my Jaclyn Hill palette and just go in with a deeper red and define my crease. After I'm done putting down that dark red and defining my crease, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and then just cut my crease. I was trying to do a halo eye, but halo eyes and I just do not get along and it does not turn out good. So I ended up just doing a regular cut crease, and you'll see in the video that I messed up, but I ended up fixing it and the result came out really nice. Then after I'm done cutting my crease, I go in with that blue shade and I just put it all over my lid. I didn't show in the video, but I actually put that blue shade first, and then I went over it with the emerald shade at the bottom left, right below the blue shade, and I just packed it a little bit on top and then put it in the inner corner of my eye, and that's what I'm doing right there. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, so that's why I didn't put it in there, but it ended up turning out really nice. And then I ended up putting gold in my tear duct, as you can see right there. So I'm going in with my Smashbox primer and my MAC foundation, and I'm just priming my face. I don't really have a specific area where I want to prime my face. I just put it all over because my whole face is a problem, so I want my face to look good. And this foundation is a little bit too dark for me, but after I conceal and everything, I think it turns out pretty good. But the one that I really wanted was a shade up, and they were all sold out. So this was $34, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and just use it. But I really, really love this foundation. So at first I buffed it in with the brush, and then after that I went in with the Beauty Blender and just kind of removed the excess. And I know I have halo brows, do not come for me. I'm going to clean them up. At the end of the video, you won't even tell that I have a halo eye, so just bear with me. Trust the process. I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand. I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. Then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick. Well, it's a foundation stick, but I use it as a contour stick. And it's in the color Earth. And I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, around my forehead, and my nose. Then I'm just going to buff that out. And I like to blend up with my contour because I feel like if you bring it just down over by your lip, it just gives you a harsh line. So I feel like when you blend it up, it looks like it's actually your cheekbone, like you have definition in your cheeks. Then I just buff it all around my forehead. And then after that, I just blend out my highlight with my Real Techniques brush everywhere that I highlighted. And I like to let my highlight set a little bit because I feel like it gives a better payoff. Like I feel like it really smooths, like it looks so smooth, it's so photo finish. Then I take my MAC press powder and I just go over the places that I highlighted. And it's a colored powder, so it's going to come off the color that the powder is. It's not a translucent powder. I just press it into my skin because I don't like to bake. I feel like it makes me look ashy, so I like to just get a pressed powder, just press it in my skin. And after I do that, I usually go in with my MAC Deep Mineralized Skin Finish and just go over it because I feel like it's a little bit too light. But I feel like also the camera or the ring light is making it come off way lighter than it actually is. But if you want to tone it down a little bit, I would go over it with a face powder that's your actual color, actual skin color. Then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder, I think. And it's in the color Mahogany, and I just go over all the places that I contoured. So it's just everything that you did liquid, you set it with the powder. Then I just go back into that Jaclyn Hill palette and I took the purple that I used, or red, no, I used red, and I put it underneath my eyes on my, I can't think of the name. I just put it underneath my eyes basically, and then I just put some gold in my tear ducts to make it pop even more. I feel like this camera's not really showing the justice of how good it looks. It looks really good, y'all. Anyways, I'm going in with my Milani brown lipstick and I'm just outlining my lips. At first I went all brown on my lips, and then I ended up going back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Milkshake and just put it in the middle. I cannot get away with that lip combo. That's just my everyday lip combo. Anytime I do makeup, that's my combo. Then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the color Sun Dipped, and I just go into that first shade and highlight my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my bridge of my nose, and on my chin, and on my cupid's bow. And then I just diffuse it a little bit by just taking that contour brush that I blend out my contour with, and just going over it a little bit just to blend the two together. And then you have the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.